Hello guys, this is iOS Pro Hacker. Have you accidentally deleted important data from your iPhone such as photos, contacts, notes, reminders, messages, WhatsApp data, or other files? And is that data already available in your iCloud account? Normally, if you want to restore a complete iCloud backup, you may need to reset the iPhone and select the backup during the setup process. But what if you do not want to reset your iPhone? What if you only need a few specific photos, contacts, notes, or other files? In this video, I will show you how to check the data available in your iCloud account, preview it, select only the files you need, and recover them to your computer or directly to your iPhone. For this process, we will need a Windows PC or Mac. Now let's move to the computer. Open your browser and download Wondershare Dr.Fone from the link available in the video description. Dr.Fone is available for both Windows and Mac OS. It is a complete mobile toolkit that includes different features for iPhone and Android devices. For this video, we only need the data recovery feature. Download the software, install it on your computer, and then open it. From the main interface, select Data Recovery. The software will now ask whether you want to recover data from an iOS device or an Android device. Because we are working with an iPhone, select iOS. Here you can see the different recovery options. You can scan data directly from an iPhone. You can recover selected files from an iTunes backup. You can recover supported WhatsApp data. You may also see an option for recovering supported WhatsApp view once data. And the option we need for this video is recover data from iCloud. Select recover data from iCloud. The software will now ask you to sign in to the Apple account connected to your iCloud data. Enter your Apple account email address and password. After signing in, Apple may ask for two-factor authentication. A verification code may appear on your trusted iPhone, or it may be sent to your trusted phone number. Enter that verification code inside Dr.Fone to continue. Once your account is verified, the software will show the available data types. Here you can select the information you want to scan, such as photos, contacts, notes, calendars, reminders, pages files, numbers files, keynote files, other available data, and deleted files. Select only the categories you need. For example, if you only want photos and contacts, select those two options. This can save time because scanning every available category may take longer. If you are not sure where your missing data is located, you can select all the available categories. After selecting the required data types, click the button to begin the scan. The software will now check the available information in your iCloud account. The scanning time depends on the amount of data and the speed of your internet connection. So keep the computer connected to the internet and wait until the scan is complete. Once the scanning process has finished, all the available data will appear in separate categories. As you can see, my contacts are available here. My camera roll photos are also visible. My notes and other available files have also appeared. You can now open each category and preview the data before recovering it. This makes it easier to find the exact files you need. Now select the contacts, photos, notes, or other items you want to recover. For this demonstration, I will select a few contacts and some photos. After selecting the required files, you will see two options at the bottom: recover to computer and recover to device. If you select recover to computer, the chosen files will be saved on your Windows, PC, or Mac. This is useful if you want to keep a copy of the data on your computer. If you select recover to device, the supported selected data will be transferred directly to your iPhone. For this video, I will select recover to device. Now connect the iPhone to the computer using a reliable USB cable. Unlock the iPhone. If the trust This computer message appears, tap Trust and enter your iPhone screen passcode. Once the iPhone is detected, return to Dr.Fone and click Recover to Device again. Now click Continue. Dr.Fone will begin transferring the selected data to the iPhone. The time required will depend on how much data you selected. Keep the iPhone connected during the process. Do not disconnect the USB cable. Keep the iPhone unlocked if the software asks you to do so. Now wait until the recovery process is complete. Once the software confirms that the data has been recovered, open the relevant application on your iPhone. As you can see, the selected data is now available on the iPhone. So this is how you can check the data available in your iCloud account, preview it, and recover only the files you need without restoring the complete backup. You can either save the selected data to your computer or transfer supported files directly to your iPhone. Dr.Fone is also useful for managing and transferring iPhone data, especially when you need to move photos, videos, contacts, or other files between an iPhone and a computer. You will find the official Dr.Fone download link in the video description. If you face any problem during the process, leave a comment below and explain what issue you are facing. If this video helped you, please like the video, subscribe to iOS Pro Hacker, and share it with someone who may need to recover their iPhone data. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.